pad with the Mamba GA70, 2-in-1 header, and a hype can, large hype can. Falcon 25/8 wide. Right there. Winds are all over the map, so I think the Aura 8 is going on for sure here. Turn that off, Matt.
Like that. Wow. That's freaky. That was on aileron, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Sure. And before when we saw the oscillation, it was in pitch, I think.
When I flew it was ailerons.
You were commenting on the excess when you stop like a point roll sort of thing.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Which could have been even stickier.
Right.
But I think when we saw it,
Okay. Could be. Well, that gyro's doing a lot of this right now, so.
yeah,
You know? Oh no. Do a nice low pass and show that gyro in action here in this wind.
I need a gyro for my knee shape.
Yeah, that's a fun plane.
Just flying in that wind like nothing.
Yeah, you wouldn't even know it, right? You only know it if you start going with the wind and it pushes you around. But stability-wise, I like it. Look, it just locked right in.
See the ailerons working as it was coming?
Oh, I know, crazy, eh? Days, how much more battery you use. The gyro is working like that. Ooh, we got some darker clouds rolling in. I think your time is up after another flight or two. Such a stable thing. No.
Good for any training wheels.
Training wheels. looks and that. You don't even hardly hear that thing running. Look at that, man. Oh. Unreal. That's crazy. Here, you try it. No, it's all good. No, I'm good just video. You just gotta awesome, he says.
Are you supposed to swear?
It's that strong, I can't get the turn. You're landing. How smooth